Hey everyone, this is Mr. Dunkel. Today I want to show you a couple things you need to check for first before you start using WeVideo. The first thing I want you to check for is your Dell Webcam. And the way we do that is we come down to the Windows Start button down here on the left, and you can go to All Programs and look to see if you have Dell Webcam loaded. You can also just type in Dell in the search box and see if you have it loaded. Now in this case, I'm using a desktop and I don't have it on here. Your laptop may or may not. I tend to find about maybe half the class has it and half doesn't. So if you don't have Dell Webcam loaded, what you need to do is minimize your screen so you can get to the desktop and look for an icon called Software Center and open that up. And that's going to show you available software that you can load. And one of your options is Dell Webcam. So check the little box next to it and click the Install Selected button, and that will install it. Typically takes a couple minutes to install. Once it's installed, you can just close that out. The other thing that I want you to check for is to make sure your microphone isn't muted. And here's how we're going to do that. Come down to the bottom right corner where you have your speaker icon. And normally if you left click on it, you can see the volume of your speaker. What we're going to do though is we're going to right click. And if you right click, go to Recording Devices. And under Recording Devices, it will show the different microphones you may have connected. In your case, it's probably only one. But pick your microphone and right-click on it and choose Properties. When you go to Properties, you get a new pop-up for that microphone. Go to the Levels tab. And what you want to look for under Levels is to make sure that this little button doesn't have a red circle with a line through it. I'm going to show it what it looks like for a second, but when I do, it's going to mute my microphone. So let me just show you for a second. So if you have that little red circle there, that means your microphone's muted. So you need to check that icon to unmute it, then say OK and say OK. And from here on out, you should be fine for recording in WeVideo or any other programs that you need to record in. And you should be also ready to go with a webcam should you need to use that for anything that you're doing as well. So if you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to ask or send me an email or stop by the help desk. Thank you.